Hi everyone, I'm 𝗬𝗏𝗧𝗃. Today I'm going to share how I made my August bullet journal. Also, stay tuned for the free self-care planner printable for you. Let's jump into the planning. This month I'm using the simple flower doodles I drew from the last video. If you haven't already watched the video, I will put the link in the description below so you can see how I created these flowers. I printed this flower in many different sizes on a sticker paper, then cut it out to use for this month's planner. Do you remember what I said about mindfulness in my last video? Cutting the flower stickers from the paper is very calming for me. When I cut the stickers out, I put my attention on cutting the curved lines mindfully. I really enjoy this process. Now I am placing the flower stickers on the page. Then I'm using the 0.8 ink pen to draw swirly lines around the flowers. Then I use pink, orange, and the red pen markers to draw the dots to decorate the page. Next, I'm making the monthly calendar. In this month's design, I'm using the planner templates that I made before. I have already printed out every planner page and glued them into my notebook. This will save a lot of time since I don't have to draw the spread layout for each page. Since I already printed out the drawing with the monthly calendar, it takes me very little time to make this spread. Next, I'm making the mood tracker. Same thing as before, I place the flowers, then draw the swirly lines around the flowers. I also draw the color code for the different moods. Then write the words to indicate the feelings like joyful, delighted, neutral, stressed, and sad. Finally, draw some color dots to finish the look. Next is the monthly planner. I really like how I designed this spread because there are many different sections to use. I made sections for priorities, planning, to-do, me-time activities, words to live by, notes, weekly cleaning, and the things to buy. It looks so fun. I cannot wait to fill this page. Next is the gratitude log and the note page. I decided to make only 12 boxes so I can fill up my gratitude journal anytime I want. On these 2 pages, I'm making them like a garden with beautiful blossoms. I hope my gratitude this month will be like this garden, filled with thanksgiving and putting joy and peace in my heart. Next is the 2-page self-care planner. This is the free printable I made for you this month. I know that there are so many people in very stressful situations right now. In these crazy moments in this messy world, I want to offer this self-care planner for you to use for free. You can use this self-care checklist to make sure you are taking good care of yourself. The self-care tracker will give you a place to write down how you feel in different sections: mind, body, heart, spirit, and the overall well-being. I wrote some examples to show you how you can use this self-care planner. If you do some self-care activities from the checklist, you can write the dates on that activity and also color that circle. Therefore, you can make sure that you are doing the self-care activities in a balanced way. On the tracker, you can write which self-care activities you did each day. So you can use it to track your overall well-being in your life from different perspectives. For example, in the body section, you can write that you went outside for a walk or worked out. Wrote in a journal or feel present can be put in the Mind section. The free download link for this planner is in the description below. I hope this planner will help you to take care of yourself better this month. In the weekly goals and the daily planner pages, I'm using watercolor to paint the background colors. Then I will place the flower stickers on the tops. I really like how saturated the colors turned out, especially the main colors, yellow, orange, and red. They seem to be popping out from the pages. The blackline flower drawings have a very good contrast with these colors. These colors are all very bright and summer-like. Now I'm drawing small dots using these three colors. I feel they are like a beautiful summer sunset. Next is my first and the second weekly spread. First, I place the flower stickers on the top. Now I'm using yellow and orange watercolor to draw the swirly lines. I really like the feeling of using the softer watercolor brush to draw the curved lines. Watercolor is a great material to practice drawing mindfully. Now I'm drawing the swirly lines in the space on the button. Then to finish the page, I'm writing the dates. Next is the 2-page weekly spread. I always change the layouts and the decoration styles of the weekly spreads. Since if I use the same layout and the design over and over again, I will feel bored to use them. Isn't this the reason why we love spending so much time creating the bullet journal pages for each month? In this spread, I'm using the large size cutout flowers as the main thing to decorate these pages. Then I'm simply putting some color dots to finish the look. I'm really enjoying this decorating process. It's so satisfying to make these pages. Finally, it's the last 2 weekly spreads. I intentionally choose to make the flower size smaller with bigger dots to decorate these pages. Then I'm drawing the big color circle using baby pink and orange for the background for the dates. I wanted these pages to have a sweet candy feeling. What do you think? Then I'm writing the dates using the white gel pen. Finally, I'm adding the drop shadow to the colored circles to finish the pages. This is the final flip through for this month's bullet journal. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment to let me know what your favorite topics for summer bullet journals are. Don't forget to download the free self-care planner. I hope you will enjoy using it. I also have a free 13-page floral planner kit printable for you. If you haven't already downloaded this planner, you can find a free download link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.